Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.9, Problem 20. This is Section 2.9, Problem 20. We have three fractions to add together, or three mixed numbers. We have 6 3/10, plus 2 1/4, plus 4 5/8. So we need to find the common denominator for each and add them together. It's the same process for two fractions or many, many fractions. So for 10, 4, and 8, a good common denominator would be 40. They all divide into 40 evenly. So let's make each fraction have a denominator of 40. Now, fill in the numerator. So start with the upper fraction, the 3/10. 10 times some number is 40. The number must be 4. So the numerator gets multiplied times the same 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So now the middle fraction, 1/4. Find the denominator for that. So 4 times how much is 40? 4 times 10 is 40. So the top, 1 times 10 would be 10. And now finally the lowest fraction, the 5/8. So 8 times something is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. So the numerator must be multiplied times the same amount times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Now I can add all the numerators together and it'll be the whatever result I get over 40. So 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 is 22. And then 22 plus 25. 22 plus 25 is 47. And for the whole number, 6 plus 2 plus 4. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So I have 12 and 47 over 40. That is the answer, but it's really not in the correct form that you want to have. I have a mixed number, a number with a fraction, where the fraction part is an improper fraction, a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So I should convert the 47 over 40 into a mixed number, combine the number part that I get with the 12 that's in front. So again, where 47 and 40 are fairly close, without really doing the division, I can think of this as 12 and 40 over 40 plus 7 over 40. There's the 47 over 40. The 40 over 40 is 1. So I'd have 12 plus 1 plus 7 over 40. 12 and 1 is 13. So I had 13 and 7/40. I see it without really doing out the math. Let's say you don't see it. What would you do? So you would take the denominator of 40, divide it into the numerator of 47, and do the division, look for the remainder. So 40 goes into 47 only once. 1 times 40 is 40. 47 minus 40 is 7, so my remainder is 7. That remainder becomes the numerator I'm looking for. And what was the denominator, the number outside the division, becomes my denominator. So I have 1 and 7/40, which is what I got before. So 12 and 47/40 is the same as 12 and 1 and 7/40. The 12 and 1 I can combine, make 13 and 7/40. So I get the same answer, 13 and 7/40. One way is a little less work if you see it. If not, you get the same answer.